What's going on, everyone? For this video, we're checking out some nifty newly added applications that's now available on the Apple Watch. This is a series that we've been doing ever since, I don't know, for 2 years now, where we search the interwebs, well, the App Store, and look for some nifty, clever applications that's worth covering in its own dedicated video. So these are the list of applications that I find useful, and you may too. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and get started with number one, which is Buddy watch faces. This is actually really cool. This recently just hit the App Store. Well, by recently, like I think a month ago or a month and a half. Nonetheless, when you open up the app, you could create an account. You could search for like watch faces based off your Apple Watch, which is really freaking cool actually. You can find some really interesting, cool designs. The library, from what it looks like, they just continue to expand the available watch faces. So basically, these are custom watch faces that people created and uploaded, and you could literally download this to your watch face just by simply tapping download. So there was this one that I saved right here that got my interest because it looks pretty sharp in my opinion. But you can always see the description, if it's for the series 4, 5, 6, you know. And then they also suggest the bands you should wear. And once you hit download, it's done. In a matter of seconds, it'll take you to your watch application. You could just add to watch face just like so, and it's already right there. And yeah, see how quickly that took to update. And look at that. That is insane. That's really cool. I would have never thought of creating something like that. But other interesting things about this application, again, that I mentioned, it's free. But besides just being free, they also have a shop of their own in their app as well, where you can actually like browse through their style watch faces, their custom watch faces they have. Who's calling me from Colorado? I don't know anybody from Colorado, but yeah. That's basically Buddy Watch for you. Oh, and I nearly forget to mention that the application on the Apple Watch also allows you to browse through the many different watch faces that you could download right here on your wrist as well. Moving along is CloudBuddy. Now, this is actually a really interesting app because this allows you to monitor the battery life on not just your iPhone or Apple Watch, but including your iPad, your Apple Pencil, everything. As soon as you have all your devices signed in with the application, you can see everything on your wrists. So let me go ahead and quickly demonstrate that. So we're gonna go ahead and add our iPad to track, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our iPhone, and it does it all within Bluetooth range. So on the iPad, it's displaying the iPhone and the iPad. Same goes for our phone, and on our Apple Watch, if you launch the app, here you see the battery life of our iPhone, Apple Watch, and our iPad all right here under a single app. And yes, there is also support for a complication, which will tell you the Apple Watch battery life percentage, but when you tap on it, you'll be able to monitor everything else. Pretty cool, and I haven't yet seen an application that works this well. So if you're looking for a good battery life tracker app that not only tracks just your iPhone, but your other Apple devices, this is the app you want to check out. Now, this next app is MasterCaster. Basically, this will allow you to have not just tools on your iPhone, but also on the Apple Watch. But if you have a Chromecast in your household, this will actually give you remote control access to that device, to your Chromecast on your wrist, like the volume, the pause and play, the ability to skip between 30 seconds or go back 15 seconds, and you can select your different Chromecasts if you have multiple Chromecasts in your household. A very useful application, especially if you rely on Chromecast a lot, not just Apple TV. Now, you know how Teslas have that fart thing where you can play fart noise on the seats, the passenger seats, even the exterior of the car now for a recent firmware update? Well, you could do a very similar thing with your Apple Watch. Fart sound and annoying noises is the name of this application. It's free to download, and if you like being a troll, you could do this very similar thing but on the Apple Watch. So you can literally select the sound. So we're just going to select fart right now, and it literally does that on your phone. God, that was loud. So things you can do with this is you could literally leave your phone anywhere next to somebody or on the countertop or something, and literally select the sound you want to play. So you got scary, fart, scary, select, dinosaur sounds. You could do that too. But apparently you need to have a premium to unlock some of those. That's so lame. A lot of them actually need the premium. Oh, we're sticking to fart. Earthquake. There's the earthquake option. Let's see how that sounds. Yeah, very mature. But Teslas have it. Why not your Apple Watch? Audio function generator. It's the name of this one. And very similar to that previous one, this is just an app that allows you to be annoying to people. But this one will actually utilize the speaker that the Apple Watch has. So let me go ahead and unlock my device and demonstrate how that sounds like. So here's the application. It's free to download, as you saw. And you can actually, if you are an audio head or want to understand how to do the different frequencies and such, you can manually adjust them right here. You can see the wavelength right there as well. And there's also some noise generators here as well. You could just tap on and then literally tap play. And when you do that, I apologize if you're wearing headphones, but I have to demonstrate that it does play sound through the speakers. And of course, you can adjust the audio by tapping on the volume icon and then use the digital crown. And then tap away to like scroll like that. So right now we're just creating white noise. But if we go over here, whatever frequency this is, if you tap play, it'll actually play it from the speakers off the Apple Watch. I gotta end it because that was getting annoying. You also have selections for like different waves. Square, see how that sounds like. Oh my god, that's loud and annoying. That is truly obnoxious. But if you're in a quiet room and you want to troll your friends, I mean, you could whip out this app and everybody's gonna be like, what is that noise and where is it coming from? Yeah, comment down in the comment section if you went ahead and actually use this with your friends. But let's just move along now. Now this next app is called Where Am I? Find my address. Now what I like about this application, unfortunately I'm not going to feature this because it will show my exact location. But on the iPhone, it will give you everything from like city to like street address, but most importantly is this number right here. The longitude and altitude. It'll actually display it and will also show you the altitude that you're in, the county, and a bunch of other information. More information than what Google Maps or Apple Maps will actually give you. Because if we click down here and go into the Apple Watch, this is what it will show you on the Apple Watch app as soon as you launch the application. So it will give you your current location, which here happens to be Cupertino, and Infinity Apple Loop, which is Apple's HQ. But these are the coordination and the altitude and all that information. Only one time I actually used this, and it was extremely useful because my friend needed a pickup, but based off the pin location that they gave me, it said that the pickup zone was in a field. More to the story, it was in a household. The coordination, if I had these coordinations, this would have saved me like 10 minutes from searching. So since the app is free, and if you also experience address issues like I have, you may want to check out this application and just send your buddy the coordinations instead. And there we have it. Yeah, yet again, more apps that really do truly allow the Apple Watch to become more powerful, giving us new tools, new ability to do separate things, and also keep ourselves entertained in case you don't have your smartphone around. And then the links to these applications will be in the video description down below, so they are literally a click away. If you'd like to see more, make sure you not only hit that like button, but also get subscribed for the next batch of applications for the Apple Watch. But in the meantime, if you missed our previous one, feel free to go ahead and check out this video over here, as that one was a recent, very popular one. And then for the complete playlist, it will be right over here of past app videos that we done for the Apple Watch. Anyway, folks, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.